Shalom. So I'm getting everything ready with the fig orchard, and my different plants gonna be right here. And this my tunnel with my raised bed up in here. So we getting everything ready. So I got all the dirt up in my raised beds. Probably next week we will start planting. Once the soil mix up in the raised beds drop down, add a little bit more soil, then we go plant. Then over here on the side too, I got the lava rocks down there. I rotted it out to try to get it kind of flat. Then after a while, it's gonna settle in and be flatter. And then we'll cut these edges. See the black edges of the tarp? We'll cut the tarp and stuff. Probably put like a little gate or something right here. And we'll put like some stones going across right here in the gate, like a little gate. Now I'm about to finish off the lava rods to try to get it level. So I'm about to rot it out. Let me show you how I get it level. Come over here. Yeah, so we gotta rot it out with this rod stick. So this is how we do it. So we got a grade right here. This our radius right up in here. So we want to match this. So if this side right here is too low or too high, we just scrape it down by rotting. We got a big hump right here, so we're gonna ride it down to match this grade, this radius over here. Already trying to look better, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Still got it to behold, huh?
Still got it.
Still got it. That's almost it. Yep. So we're gonna finish it off. I might hit it one more time to finish it. And then I will shoot another video so I can show y'all what it look like when it's completed. Shalom.